In this section, we'll use the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix to find the area of any triangle. You may be able to use this in the coordinate geometry work as well. Okay, so we're given this triangle in the picture. There are 3 coordinates. We've got 1, 2, 6, 2, and 4, 0. Okay, so the formula that we use for finding the area is written here. These are your 3 points of the triangle, and notice where the values go: x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now it doesn't matter which goes first. You could have x2, y2 first, it doesn't matter. And note that the last column are all ones, 1, 1, 1. So, and also note here, this could be plus or minus a half. Okay, so if your determinant is, for example, negative 10, you would use negative a half to give 5, because we want to have a positive area, not negative area. So that depends on whether the determinant is positive or negative. If you have a det which is 10, then you would use positive a half to give you 5. Okay, so just bear that in mind when you are doing these problems. You want a positive area always, because area can't be negative. Okay, so let's look at how we use the formula. Let's write it down first. Use blue. So the area equals plus or minus a half. Now we've got, in our question, we've got 1, 2. So let's make that the first one. 1, 2, but then the last value is 1. Then we have 6, 2, and then we have 1, and then we have 4, 0, and another 1. So you need to find the determinant of this matrix here. Okay, so let's look at how to do that. Let's write it down again. 1, 2, 1, 6, 2, 1, 4, 0, 1. We'll put a dotted line there. And then we'll write the next 2 columns beside as before. 1, 2, 6, 2, 4, 0, like that. So as before, we will use a red line, go this direction, like that. So that will give us 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 1, 4 plus 1, 6, 0. Okay, we'll calculate that. So then we'll have 1, 2, 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 1 6 0 is 0. So this will give us 10 for the red part. Then we'll go back in the orange direction. 2 6 1. 1 1 0. 1 2 4, like that. So we'd have 2 6 1 plus 1 1 0 plus 1 2 4. Okay, so what does that give us? 2 6s are 12. Then we've got 1 1 0, which is 0. 2 4s are 8. 8 1s are 8. So that will give us 20. Okay, so your det will be the first number minus the second number. So 10 minus 20 will give us minus 10. That's your determinant. Okay, but your area, the area will be half. Now notice your det is negative, so we have to use negative a half times negative 10, which will give us 5. So the area of this triangle is 5. And we can check that using the area formula. So we'd have a half. Look at your base of your triangle here. So the length of this line is 6 minus 2, which is 4. Sorry, 6 minus 1 is 5. There. Let's change that to 5. Okay, go back. And so the height of your triangle is 2 units. Okay, so that would be 2. And 2 5s are 10, divided by 2 is 5. So that's just a way to check, but not every question is easy to check like that. Okay, so that's how you find your area of a triangle using the determinant.